Hey guys, super quick video today on how to set SmartLead up so you can start sending emails. Now, if you have done cold email in the past or you're looking to get into cold email, then you've almost certainly heard of SmartLead. It's one of the biggest sales engagement platforms on the market. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set it up. Before that, if you don't know who I am Papa Sefa. I'm the founder of Leveraged Outbound. At Leveraged Outbound, we're a SmartLead certified expert agency, as you can see. Last year, we launched over 1,000 campaigns for our clients, and we're in the top 5% of all SmartLead users for replies. So let's hop into things. So what you'll have to do is go to app.smartlead.ai, or if you just type in SmartLead into Google, whatever you do, you'll come up to this page, right? And on this page, what you need to do is just put in your details, full name, address, password, etc., etc. I won't do that now because I've already done it, so I can walk you guys through it. That will take you to this page where it's going to say it sent you an email and you just need to go there and click the link, right? So we do that, come into the email, click the link, and that will open up this. So then you just want to put in, answer these questions. So what do you want to do? I want to automate my lead generation. What am I currently using? Let's say mid-level. What best describes your business? Let's say marketing agency, right? And then it's going to take you to here, okay? Now I've already got this open. Essentially what you want to do is once you're in SmartLead, obviously to be able to reach out to people, you need to connect email accounts. Now there's a couple of different ways to do this, and you'll see those on the screen. Typically these days, internally for the agency, we just bulk upload, but you most likely are going to need to use one of these two options here. Now I would recommend OAuth because it's purportedly more stable, and it means that you're likely to have less issues, less disconnects, etc. So what you want to do is click OAuth, click copy client ID, and then you want to click this link, which will take you into your admin panel. Now, you want to make sure that when you're in Google and when you're in the admin panel, you're actually in the account that you want to use to sign in, right? You don't want to use any of these other accounts. You want to be in that main account. Once you get in there, you want to click configure new app. And then as you just copied this client ID here, you just paste it into here and click search. Okay, so SmartLead is going to come up. I'm going to click on that, leave it to all, click trusted here and continue. And then you want to click finish. Okay, so once you've done that, you can come back here and click connect account. And then you just want to click on that account again, click continue, allow. And if you just give it a second to load here, now you're in, okay? So that was a bit of a process, but the main thing to understand is that for each workspace admin, and this is if you're using Google, you're only going to have to do that full process one time. So let's say you have 2 or you have 3 email accounts within the same admin. So this is an old domain, but say I had papa@medicsmarketing.com, right? I could just come in here, add account, click that and connect account. And then it would take me to that page with the list of emails again. And I could just click the account and it would be a one-click connect. So you wouldn't have to go through that entire process again. Now, obviously, if you're using Outlook, Zoho, SMTP providers, you can go through the process by clicking on one of these. It's pretty similar, so I won't walk through those. But once you've done that, what you then want to do is always make sure that this account is warming up. Now, these days there's a big debate between whether you should warm up, whether you shouldn't. In actual fact, for some accounts, it's better to warm up. For some accounts and sending providers, it's not. But I'd still recommend always putting your accounts through a standard 2-week warm-up period. So you can set this to 30, have the daily increment ramp up as 5. And then you can put this as 15 to 30. Say leave the reply rate on 20 and click enable warm-up. So now you can click OK. And then you just repeat the process for the rest of your email accounts. And once you've done that, you'll be good to go. Now, the other thing, you'll see that daily limit here says 0/200. Now, that actually doesn't matter too much because this email account is not connected to any campaigns and it's not going to suddenly start sending emails on its own. But what you can do is go into general and just change that to 1 whilst you're in the warm-up phase, just to be on the safe side. So that is, the initial setup of SmartLead. Any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them. Thanks.